Hi, today we're going to do a really quick video on hazy headlights. So you can see this car, the headlight is pretty foggy, hazed up. That's caused by the sun's UV ray. It kind of and road grime and dirt that hits the plastic headlight lens, and it kind of scratches it up and gets it all foggy looking. So we could like wipe it with our hand first, get some of that dirt off it. You can see that's hazy, and this is the one. This side was just like that, and you could see that looks pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. So this is how we're doing it. We take some of this steel wool. It's 4/0 steel wool. That means it's 400000 steel wool. You just take that and you clean the headlight off first, and you clean some of this heavy oxidation. And what it is just really fine, and it's just putting, it's just taking a real thin layer of the plastic off, and that's the plastic that's all scratched up and pitted and everything else. Oops. And if you look really close, you can see that there's fine scratches in it. It's from the steel wool. But anyhow, you can see there's tiny little pits in here, and you can see it's already looking better, but we'll come right back. I'm going to polish it a little bit more.